Good morning, Las Vegas A's baseball fans. Today is July 29th, 2026. We're down here on a Wednesday morning, checking out the progress here at the stadium. We've got a lot of folks on site here. We've got some excavation going on in back. We've got a lot of the scaffolding continuing to go. We've got guys up on top of the rafters up here. You see we got some excavation going on in the back here, over here. Moving some dirt around or something, maybe getting ready for probably making a driveway in there. I imagine that's, you know, like one of those things where you drive down underneath the building into there's no basement, but you know what I mean. Looks like we've got he's been working on, I don't know where this guy's going to be going with this, but he's been working on something here. And then that guy's been working on these sheathings. These guys have been working on this death metal. From what I understand, they call it death metal because the sheathing on this stuff, it's metal sheathing. It is so sharp. When you guys saw them passing that thing around, these things will slice your hand off. I mean, apparently it just cuts right between your thumb and your index finger there. So I tagged some gloves that you'll find in the shop there that actually are cut resistant. So if you guys are doing any projects like this, make sure you have the proper safety equipment, because these things will cut you. Now on this side here, you can see they're doing quite a bit of work on this sheathing. They've got a lot of guys on these scissor lifts. You know, they're following up behind what these guys are doing. So it's kind of like they got almost like an assembly line. Then you got these guys doing this. And then you've got these guys up here doing this. And then all the way over here, more of that. And then we get back over to where we were when we were doing the scaffolding. But I wanted to get some shots over here so you guys can see what they're doing on this side as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider hitting the like and subscribe. You know, we try to come out here fairly consistently to make sure we give you some updates. Earlier, like last week, they put up this second roof truss, the first half of the second roof truss. They're going to be probably positioned, getting ready to put up the next part here shortly. They were doing some work in between there yesterday on some of the brackets, kind of like connecting these two pieces together. I don't know if you guys can see those pieces there, but they were installing these pieces here, getting those pieces installed. So it is about probably about 8:30. So a lot of guys are probably still on their lunch break, as far as the iron workers, because they come in real early. And so we'll see if they come back out and see what projects they're working on. Looks like they're really just kind of nailing this thing today. Getting the exterior sheathing going. Sure, they're cutting this sort of like a mesh of some sort. And these guys, what are these guys doing over here? temperatures today when we came in were about 101 degrees, but as you can hear, the wind is picking up, which is making it very much more comfortable, much nicer. I never thought I'd say that, but the wind is making it nicer here. I can't see on my little screen what they're putting up there, but maybe you guys can, or I'll see it later. Comment below, correct me where I'm wrong. We'll figure this project out together. And of course we got the scissor lift back here. These guys are, looks like they're putting some sort of, looks like protective coating maybe, or is that just water? This is cement. So they've got this sheathing over here coming in. So not exactly sure what part they're doing on this with the water over here. I'm sure some of you guys have done this project before. A project like this could probably educate the rest of us. Yeah, what's this mesh stuff here they're putting up now? Thank you guys for watching. Please consider hitting the like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, consider joining one of our memberships. Thank you very much for that. For those that have, really appreciate it. We'll keep getting out here and providing good content. Unique content. Vegas content. So yeah, so the big news, I guess, is Mark Cuban is now invested, right? His company's invested in this project. And so that should start to bring some other interest, you know, along the way here. Because, you know, he's a big investor and people follow the investors. I'll bet there are a lot of people that probably would love a piece of this, would love to be able to invest in this. Probably limited to people they know. People that have a certain amount of, they have to pick the right investors to invest in a project like this, I imagine. There's a crane moving something somewhere. I don't see it here. I heard the horn go though. Oh, it's the orange creamsicle. Come on. It's moving a big piece of iron on this side. Because I think they're doing some stuff over here. So they're putting these pieces in on this side. On the scaffolding here, wind is picking up. Got these arches in. This project's coming together. Down the way we've got some excavation or something, pulling out some dirt. Okay, so let's take a look at the backside here of the stadium. Something I noticed when I was driving by is that, look what they've done. They've actually opened this thing up over here so we can actually see what they're working on back here. Let me see if I'll get you a little spot here. Look at this new truss that's coming in. This will be a great spot for us to be able to watch them lift the second half of the truss now that they have this wall gone. Isn't this cool? I'm excited, you guys. What about you? So that's the other side of the truss that we have there. So now we can really see where this guy's excavating back here. See some of the work that's being done. I'll bring my ladder next time now that I see that we have this. So I'm not sure exactly what they're working on back here, but over yonder I can definitely see we've got that roof truss coming in. And I'm gonna try to find, for next time, I'm gonna definitely try to find us a spot where we will be able to maybe get a little more footage. But this would be good moving forward, I think. They tell me to come move. But yeah, now it's like I'm basically right on the site. They're way better. I mean, way better for the ground level stuff. Not necessarily for what we were looking at. You know, normally this is where I'm at. Normally this is where we're trying to see what they're doing way up there, you know. We're being like, hey, what, you know, like for example, like we're usually looking up at them. Now we're looking down in on them from the other project, but this is also a good perspective too. So what's this guy working on? Electricals maybe? Plumbing? Sorry, trying to get a steady hold down here. I'm standing on something that's moving. And then down the way we've got, that's the next part of that roof truss that everybody's been talking about. See, look, see how he's going down in that? That's what I'm talking about. See? That's why I say they're building like so you go down lower. That's what I was thinking. Like a lot of these projects, like a stadium or any building, will have something where like delivery trucks or things can come down lower. So what it appears like he's doing over here with this excavator, this cat, what do you call this thing? My dad we used to have one of these. Not as big as this, but we had one. We lived up in Oregon. Wow. Getting a lot of this stuff going in here. Come back down here, maybe the next day we'll see a little more activity, I think. Right, because right now it's about 9:30 or so. So, you know, lunchtime, breaks, the heat. See how low this guy is? Look at that. He's way down there. So we're getting that excavating done. So we got Big Red. Look, more excavating equipment going through. So they're getting way down there. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe. Like they're digging, and this guy's waiting to go in. But I guess he's got to come down a little further. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe. This is the update for Wednesday. We'll be back out here again, probably before the end of the week. Again, thanks for watching. Consider joining the memberships, and we'll be continue to give you more updates.